Do you need a professional logo, banner, or social media design, but don't want to waste your money? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a business owner, a YouTuber, or a content creator, you know that graphic design is something you absolutely need. Today, I'm going to show you one of the best graphic design services I've found on Fiverr that can truly help your brand grow. So many people face the same problems: bad quality designs, late deliveries, and zero communication from the designer. That's why choosing the right gig is so important. I recently discovered an amazing Fiverr seller who offers professional designs, super fast delivery, unlimited revisions, and all at an affordable price. They have fantastic reviews and real client feedback. This gig is perfect for logo design, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, business cards, flyers, basically everything you need for your online branding. The designs are eye-catching, communication is friendly, and the work is 100% satisfaction guaranteed. If you want to check out this service, just click the link in my description. It'll take you directly to the Fiverr gig, and using that link also helps support my channel. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.